Samsung has finally revamped its music app, and here's a quick look at what's new. Starting with the new icon, it now feels more vibrant and modern. Upon launching the app, the first noticeable change is the settings window, which features a sleeker, boxy design. Another exciting addition is the lyrics feature. Simply tap on the album cover, and the lyrics will appear seamlessly. While the overall UI remains mostly the same, there are subtle tweaks that enhance the experience. When it comes to widgets, the app still offers the 4x2 and 4x4 options. To try it out, simply download the APK from the link in the description and install it like any standard app. Currently, this update is exclusive to Samsung devices, but stay tuned. Ports for other devices may be available soon. That's it for this quick overview. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated with the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.